Assalamualaikum students. In this topic we will explore about muscles in our body and their movements. Can you clap your hands? How about wiggling your toes? Can you run fast or maybe jump high? Have you ever wondered how you do that? Well, your muscles help your body to move and functions. There are over 600 muscles in our body, and each muscle has a special job to do, such as hanging with the tree, walking, sitting, jumping, writing, or maybe raising hand. What are muscles? Muscles are the part of the body that allow us to move in many different ways. Muscles are found under the skin. They are made of elastic tissues and are flexible. Muscles always work in pairs. There are some muscles that can be controlled by us, like the ones in our arm and in our legs. They are attached to the bones through tendons that help our skeleton to move by contracting and relaxing. Now let's try out bending our elbow up and down. When we bend the elbow, the biceps contracts and the triceps relaxes. And when we straighten the elbow, the biceps relax and the triceps contracts. Muscles are amazing. There are some muscles that are not in our control. They do their job without our commands, such as our heart, eyes, and tongue. Our heart pumps blood throughout our body. Similarly, without telling us, our eyes blink. And our tongue not only tastes food, but also help us in talking. These are very strong muscles. Do you know we have 43 facial muscles? And do you know it only takes our 17 facial muscles to smile? Whereas frowning involves all 43 facial muscles. I hope you have enjoyed learning about muscles and their involvement in the movement of our body. Jazakallah and happy learning!